SaleHoo.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to SaleHoo.com, which is an online platform that connects wholesale suppliers with retailers and dropshippers. It offers a directory of over 8K verified suppliers, allowing users to access a wide range of products at wholesale prices. The platform provides tools and resources to help entrepreneurs start and grow their e-commerce businesses successfully. SaleHoo.com also offers market research and support to help users make informed decisions about their product sourcing and selling strategies. Overall, it's a valuable resource for those seeking to establish or expand their online retail ventures. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. We have the our products section. As you can see, SaleHoo directory, SaleHoo dropship, educate, the pricing, success stories about us, and the resources like free guides, community, exclusive guide, and everyone has its own resources, as you can see. And here we have the get started now button. So before getting started, let's first check the pricing of the platform. So here we have the annually one, which is $67 annual access. So it's an access trustworthy suppliers now. As you can see, you have the access to SaleHoo supplier directory, access to market research lab, unlimited one-on-one support, personal email support, and so on. And here we have the lifetime one, which is $127 for once. So just pay $127 for once, and you will always be able to access the platform. And here we have the SaleHoo dropship, where they have two plans, the basic one, the premium one, and each one with its own benefits and features. And here we have the educate one, which is dropshipping on Shopify, the ultimate guide to building a successful dropshipping store on Shopify. And here we have Amazon product launch, the step-by-step guide to launching your first product on Amazon. So they have a one price, as you can see, $47. You pay it one-time payment, and you can learn a lot of things. So let's go back and get started with the platform. So let's hit get started now. So to get started, you choose one of these plans, whether it's the annual access or you want the lifetime access. And if you're interested, if you want easily to add high profit products to your Shopify store, you go to the SaleHoo dropship. And if you want the steps to become a 7-figure dropshipper, you go to educate. But let's just stick with this one. So you proceed and access trustworthy supplier now. You give them your full name and you type your email, and then you create account. So I'm going to fill this information and hit create account right now. After giving them your full name and your email, you proceed to the checkout, as you can see. So you can choose if you want to pay with your credit card, or you want to pay with your PayPal. You give them your card holder name, card number, expiration date, security code, and your country zip code, and then you proceed to pay now. So that's how you can access this platform. So let's go back to the main page. So if you don't have money to pay this amount of money, as you can see, you can make money from the same platform. So I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. So I guess we created our account. So we need to create our password, then you save and continue. You give them your phone number. So I'm going to type my phone number and then hit continue. Then you answer these questions. As you can see, you answer those questions, then you hit finish setup, and you can start your tour in the website. So this is dashboard of the website. As you can see, the products. If you want to see the products, you need to proceed and pay for the plan, one of those plans in the pricing section. So by scrolling down, you get to the bottom of the platform, and here in the company section under it you find affiliate program. So this is where you can make money from the same platform. So as you can see, start earning money with our affiliate program today. Become a SaleHoo affiliate partner and earn up to $500 plus a year for every sale. So for every sale and for every friend or family you refer to the website, you earn 500 plus a year from that one lead or that one friend. So start earning now. So this is how you can start with their affiliate program. You give them your full name, email, your ClickBank username. If you don't have an account, you click I don't have an account, and here you give them your website link and you hit I accept. Then you click get started and you will be able to start. They will give you a link, your own link, that you will be sharing with your friends, and whenever someone enters this page with your link and proceeds and pays for an annual plan, you will get a fee from that. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.